Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add pictures and videos over a main video in CapCut. So here I've already add a video as the main clip, and to add pictures or videos over it, you can just use the overlay feature on CapCut. So just click on overlay, add overlay, and then choose the video that you want to. For example, I want to add okay, this video is right here. Click on add. You can see it will be a position at the top or over the main video like this. You can leave it as it is, or you can also use the masking feature to make it or to shape it into another form. For example, heart like this. So after that, you can just click on a check icon, and it's the same with pictures. If you want to add pictures, you can just do the same. So find the pictures that you want to add and add it to CapCut as overlay like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.